I feel sick today.
I feel sick today.
I feel sick today.
I feel sick today.
She has a headache.
She has a headache.
She has a headache.
She has a headache.
He needs to see a doctor.
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 I have a cold.
I have a cold.
I have a cold.
I have a cold.
Drink plenty of water.
Drink plenty of water.
Drink plenty of water.
Drink plenty of water.
She is feeling better now.
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 He caught the flu.
He caught the flu.
He caught the flu.
He caught the flu.
Take your medicine.
Take your medicine.
Take your medicine.
Take your medicine.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
She broke her arm.
She broke her arm.
She broke her arm.
She broke her arm.
He has a fever.
He has a fever.
He has a fever.
He has a fever.
I need to go to the hospital.
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 She sprained her ankle.
She sprained her ankle.
She sprained her ankle.
She sprained her ankle.
He is coughing a lot.
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 I have a sore throat.
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 She needs to lie down.
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 He is feeling dizzy.
He is feeling dizzy.
He is feeling dizzy.
He is feeling dizzy.
I need a checkup.
I need a checkup.
I need a checkup.
I need a checkup.
She has a stomach ache.
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 He is allergic to peanuts.
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 I need to take a nap.
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 She is taking vitamins.
She is taking vitamins.
She is taking vitamins.
She is taking vitamins.
He needs to relax.
He needs to relax.
He needs to relax.
He needs to relax.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
She is recovering from surgery.
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 He should eat healthier.
He should eat healthier.
He should eat healthier.
He should eat healthier.
I need to exercise more.
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 She is on a diet.
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 He is seeing a therapist.
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 I have high blood pressure.
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 She has diabetes.
She has diabetes.
She has diabetes.
She has diabetes.
He needs to quit smoking.
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 I feel weak.
I feel weak.
I feel weak.
I feel weak.
She has a rash.
She has a rash.
She has a rash.
She has a rash.
He is on medication.
He is on medication.
He is on medication.
He is on medication.
I need to lose weight.
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 She has a burn.
She has a burn.
She has a burn.
She has a burn.
He has high cholesterol.
He has high cholesterol.
He has high cholesterol.
He has high cholesterol.
I need to eat more fruits.
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 She has a broken leg.
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 He is feeling stressed.
He is feeling stressed.
He is feeling stressed.
He is feeling stressed.
I have insomnia.
I have insomnia.
I have insomnia.
I have insomnia.
She needs to drink more water.
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 He has asthma.
He has asthma.
He has asthma.
He has asthma.
I feel nauseous.
I feel nauseous.
I feel nauseous.
I feel nauseous.
She has an ear infection.
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 He is taking antibiotics.
He is taking antibiotics.
He is taking antibiotics.
He is taking antibiotics.
I need to see a specialist.
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 She has a migraine.
She has a migraine.
She has a migraine.
She has a migraine.
He is recovering from a cold.
He is recovering from a cold.
He is recovering from a cold.
He is recovering from a cold.